Hello, this video is brought to you by White Wave Trading Strategies. Many of you are not utilizing the best tool on the daily research. So I'm just going to go over this for a little bit for those of you who don't quite understand what you're seeing with the matrix. Here's an example of the NASDAQ 100. I had support S1 at 42.65. I've been writing that the pivot 4402 is the yearly pivot. And my first resistance here is was at 44.75. These are static levels that rarely change. I do them across all the major indices, currencies, and commodities. So if you're a busy private wealth manager and you don't have time to stare at the screen all day and you're selling, you want an alert to let you know when markets are at these technical levels. They rarely go away, and you will find that the markets move from one level to the next level, and then they'll move back again. These are closing levels. So in order for downside from 4402 to 4265, you need to close under 4265. So coming into a support zone like this, the last low was 4271. It never, it couldn't even print 4265. This is an exit zone for those that are playing the short side or who have bought portfolio insurance. The market went from 42.65 right back to 44.02 and went and printed it. Here was the 42.65. In 2 trading days, it was back at 44.02. It couldn't get through it and came back for another try at the 42.65 level and couldn't get through it again. And we started a rally back up. Now, you want to be aware of the big matrix levels, and then if you read what I say during the day, you'll see that what I'm doing is writing an ongoing story and painting a picture of price action and how the NASDAQ's moving from A to B. It could be the oil, it could be the S&Ps. The S&Ps number, is interesting in the fact that 2038 is the yearly pivot. And earlier in the year when we went below 2038, the first trading day of the year, we went straight down. I had matrix numbers down here at 1806, had a huge rally back up. It couldn't print 1965, came back to it again, and then we started another move. But when I update these levels, if you pay attention to them, you'll do less reading, you'll know where the market is, and you can make a decision whether it's in an area where you either want to take in your portfolio insurance, whether you want to add risk. But it's a great tool in decision making. And since I do this in all the major equity indices, the major bond markets, and across all the currencies and commodities, it's very useful. So if you have any questions, please send me an email. I'll spend a little bit more time with you, giving you a little insight on how to better utilize the levels effectively and how you can increase your returns. Thanks for listening. Good luck and good trading.